Welcome. Today, we're diving into a powerful topic: how to get customers without spending a dime on ads. If you're a business owner, freelancer, or just starting out, you know that advertising can get expensive fast. But what if you could attract loyal customers organically using proven strategies that don't require a big budget? In this video, we'll explore actionable methods to grow your client base, build trust, and boost your reputation, all without paid advertising. Let's get started on this journey to smarter, more sustainable customer acquisition. One of the oldest and most effective ways to gain new customers is through word of mouth. When people have a great experience with your product or service, they naturally want to tell their friends and family. Encourage your satisfied clients to share their stories. You can even make it easier for them by providing referral cards or simple digital links. Remember, personal recommendations carry a lot of weight. People trust the opinions of those they know. So, focus on delivering exceptional value and let your happy customers become your best promoters. Strategic partnerships can open doors to new audiences without any advertising spend. Look for businesses that complement yours but aren't direct competitors. For example, if you're a fitness coach, partner with a local health food store. You can cross-promote each other's services, host joint events, or offer bundled deals. These collaborations help you tap into each other's customer bases, creating a win-win situation. Building strong business relationships not only expands your reach, but also adds credibility to your brand. Attending networking events, both online and offline, is a fantastic way to meet potential customers. These gatherings are filled with people looking to connect, share ideas, and discover new opportunities. Bring your business cards, prepare a quick pitch about what you do, and be ready to listen as much as you talk. The relationships you build at these events can lead to referrals, collaborations, and direct sales. Remember, networking is about building genuine connections, not just handing out cards. Providing free value is a powerful way to attract new customers. This could be in the form of free workshops, webinars, downloadable guides, or helpful blog posts. When you share your expertise without asking for anything in return, people start to see you as a trusted authority. Over time, this builds goodwill and makes potential clients more likely to choose your business when they're ready to buy. Remember, generosity often leads to loyalty. Content marketing is all about creating and sharing valuable content to attract and engage your target audience. This could be blog posts, videos, podcasts, or infographics. The key is to address your audience's pain points and answer their questions. By consistently providing helpful information, you position your business as a go-to resource. Over time, this organic approach draws in customers who are already interested in what you offer. Search engine optimization, or SEO, helps your business show up when people search for solutions online. By optimizing your website and content with relevant keywords, you increase your chances of being found by potential customers. Focus on creating high-quality, informative pages that answer common questions in your industry. Over time, good SEO brings in a steady stream of organic traffic, no ad spend required. Social media platforms are powerful tools for connecting with potential customers. Instead of just posting ads, focus on engaging with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and join relevant groups or conversations. Share behind-the-scenes looks, customer stories, and useful tips. The more you interact, the more visible and approachable your business becomes, attracting people who resonate with your brand. Testimonials from satisfied customers are incredibly persuasive. Ask your clients for feedback and permission to share their positive experiences. Display these testimonials on your website, social media, and marketing materials. Real stories from real people help build trust and credibility, making it easier for new customers to choose you over competitors. Online communities and forums are great places to connect with potential customers. Join groups related to your industry on platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, or Reddit. Participate in discussions, answer questions, and offer helpful advice. By being active and visible, you'll naturally attract people who are interested in your expertise and services. Hosting free events, such as workshops, webinars, or Q&A sessions, is a fantastic way to showcase your expertise and connect with potential clients. These events provide value upfront and give people a taste of what you offer. They also create opportunities for attendees to ask questions and interact with you directly, building trust and rapport. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to nurture leads and turn them into customers. Start by building an email list. Offer a free resource or newsletter in exchange for contact information. Then, send regular, valuable updates that keep your audience engaged. Over time, your emails will build relationships and gently guide subscribers toward making a purchase. If you provide a service or software, offering a free trial can be a great way to attract new customers. People love to try before they buy. A risk-free trial allows potential clients to experience your value firsthand, increasing the likelihood they'll become paying customers once they see the benefits. Getting involved in your local community is a fantastic way to build relationships and attract customers. Sponsor local events, volunteer, or participate in community projects. When people see your business giving back, they're more likely to support you. Plus, community involvement often leads to word-of-mouth referrals and lasting connections. Connecting with influencers in your industry can help you reach a wider audience. Look for people who share your values and have an engaged following. Offer to collaborate on content, interviews, or events. Influencers can introduce your business to their audience, providing valuable exposure without the need for paid ads. A referral program rewards your existing customers for bringing in new business. This could be a discount, a freebie, or another perk. Referral programs motivate your happy clients to spread the word, helping you grow your customer base organically. Make it easy for people to refer others, and always thank them for their support. Professional associations and groups are excellent places to meet potential clients and partners. Attend meetings, participate in discussions, and offer your expertise. These groups often have directories or networking events where you can showcase your business. Being active in your industry community helps you stay top of mind and build valuable relationships. Writing guest posts for popular blogs in your industry is a great way to reach new audiences. Share your expertise on topics that matter to their readers, and include a link back to your website. Guest blogging builds your authority and drives interested visitors to your business, all without spending on ads. Appearing as a guest on podcasts is another excellent way to reach potential customers. Find shows that align with your expertise and audience. Share your story, offer valuable insights, and mention your business naturally. Podcast listeners are often highly engaged and interested in learning more about the guests they hear. Platforms like Quora, Reddit, and industry-specific forums are full of people asking questions related to your field. Take the time to provide thoughtful, helpful answers. When you consistently offer value, people start to recognize your expertise and may reach out for your services. This approach builds authority and attracts customers organically. How-to guides are a fantastic way to demonstrate your knowledge and help potential customers solve problems. Whether it's a step-by-step article, video, or infographic, practical guides attract people searching for solutions. When they find your content helpful, they're more likely to trust your business for future needs. LinkedIn is a powerful platform for connecting with professionals and potential clients. Optimize your profile, share valuable content, and engage with others in your industry. Join relevant groups and participate in discussions. LinkedIn's networking features make it easier to build relationships and attract business opportunities. Offering free consultations is a great way to connect with potential clients and showcase your expertise. During these sessions, listen to their needs and provide actionable advice. Even if they don't buy immediately, you'll leave a positive impression and increase the chances they'll return when ready. Trade shows and industry expos are excellent places to meet potential customers and partners. Set up a booth, prepare engaging materials, and be ready to answer questions. These events offer face-to-face interaction, which can be more memorable than digital outreach. Plus, you'll gain insights into industry trends and competitors. Case studies showcase real-world results your business has achieved for clients. Share detailed stories about how you solved a problem or delivered value. Include measurable outcomes and testimonials if possible. Case studies help potential customers see what's possible and build confidence in your abilities. Community forums are places where people gather to discuss shared interests. Join forums related to your industry and participate in conversations. Offer helpful advice, answer questions, and share your experiences. Over time, you'll become a recognized expert, and forum members may turn to you when they need your services. A resource library filled with valuable tools, templates, and guides can attract potential customers to your website. Offer these resources for free in exchange for contact information. This not only provides value, but also helps you build an email list for future marketing efforts. Regular newsletters keep your audience informed and engaged. Share updates, tips, and exclusive offers. Newsletters help you stay top of mind and nurture relationships with potential customers. Make sure your content is valuable and relevant to your subscribers' interests. Hosting challenges or contests can generate excitement and attract new customers. Encourage people to participate by offering a prize or recognition. These activities create buzz around your brand and encourage participants to share with their networks, expanding your reach organically. Collaborating with other businesses or professionals on projects can introduce you to new audiences. Work together on a joint product, event, or piece of content. Collaboration allows you to pool resources, share expertise, and reach more people than you could alone. Loyalty programs reward repeat customers and encourage them to keep coming back. Offer points, discounts, or exclusive perks for frequent purchases. Happy, loyal customers are more likely to refer others and become advocates for your business. Local newspapers, radio stations, and TV channels are always looking for interesting stories. Pitch your business story, offer expert commentary, or share newsworthy events. Getting featured in local media boosts your credibility and introduces you to a wider audience. A strong, unique brand helps you stand out in a crowded market. Define your brand's voice, values, and visual identity. Consistency across all touchpoints builds recognition and trust, making it easier for customers to remember and choose your business. Listing your business in free online directories increases your visibility and helps potential customers find you. Make sure your information is accurate and up to date. Popular directories include Google My Business, Yelp, and industry-specific platforms. Public speaking at events, conferences, or webinars positions you as an authority in your field. Share your knowledge, tell your story, and connect with audiences in person or online. Speaking engagements often lead to new business opportunities and valuable connections. Video content is highly engaging and shareable. Create videos that showcase your products, explain your services, or share customer success stories. Post them on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or your website. Videos help you connect with your audience on a personal level and attract new customers. There are many free tools available to help you manage and grow your business. Use scheduling apps, design platforms, and analytics tools to streamline your operations and improve your marketing efforts. Free tools help you stay organized and professional without extra costs. Participating in or hosting online challenges can boost your visibility and attract new customers. Challenges encourage engagement, sharing, and community building. Choose a theme relevant to your business and invite your audience to join in. The buzz generated can lead to increased brand awareness and new leads. Sharing customer success stories highlights the real impact of your products or services. Feature these stories on your website, social media, or in newsletters. Success stories build trust and show potential customers what's possible when they choose your business. Educational content positions you as an expert and attracts people seeking knowledge. Create tutorials, webinars, or online courses that address common challenges in your industry. When people learn from you, they're more likely to trust you with their business. Look for free public relations opportunities, such as being quoted in articles, contributing to industry publications, or participating in expert panels. These activities increase your visibility and position you as a thought leader, attracting customers who value expertise. Encourage your customers to leave reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, or industry-specific sites. Positive reviews boost your reputation and help new customers feel confident in choosing your business. Respond to reviews, both positive and negative, to show you value feedback. If you sell physical products, offering free samples can entice potential customers to try before they buy. Samples give people a risk-free way to experience your quality, making them more likely to purchase in the future. Creating an online community around your brand fosters loyalty and engagement. Start a Facebook group, forum, or Slack channel where customers can connect, share experiences, and support each other. A strong community keeps people coming back and encourages referrals. As you can see, there are countless ways to attract customers without spending money on ads. By focusing on building relationships, providing value, and engaging with your audience, you can grow your business organically and sustainably. Start by choosing a few strategies that resonate with you and take consistent action. Over time, your efforts will pay off with loyal customers and a thriving business. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success.